more ছাত্র ছাত্রী হল আজি ম্যাট্রিক্স অ্যালজেব্রাৰ 9 নম্বৰ ক্লাছ লৈ আহিছো আৰু প্ৰায় লাষ্ট পাৰ্টত আহি আমি উপনীত হৈছিলো আমি আশা কৰিছো নেক্সট ক্লাছত চেপ্টাৰটো শেষ হ'ব আজি আমি পঢ়িবলৈ লগা টপিকটো হৈছে inverse of a square matrix. First of all, definition to this. Let A be a given square matrix. Another square matrix B is called the inverse of A if AB equal to BA equal to I. What is that? I is the unit matrix. A to the order, I to a order, B to a order. A to be a 2 into 2 matrix, B to 2 into 2 matrix, and I will be the unit matrix of second order. The inverse of A is denoted by A to the power minus 1. And if B is the inverse of A, then conversely A is the inverse of B. So B matrix to A inverse of and A matrix to A inverse of. And there are two methods of calculating A inverse. A inverse calculate for দুটা method আছে তার এটা হচ্ছে by elementary transformation যেটো our matrix algebra exercise 3.4 দিয়া matrix separator और ऐसा आता है by the help of determinant. By the help of determinant, ये जो है exercise 4.5 NCERT. इतने प्रथम की अभी calculation of A inverse to A के अभी बात करो matrix inverse of basic property के लिए discuss करो. अभी matrix calculation part to be matrix inverse calculation part to আমি পঢ়িম যদি আমি ইয়াৰ পিছত চেষ্টা কৰিম with the chapter determinant ইয়াৰ পিছত determinant চেষ্টা যদি আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিম তেতিয়া আমি calculation of A inverse একেবাৰে পঢ়িম আকৌ কৈছো আজি আমি A inverse কি সেই বিষয়ে বিশেষ ডিসকাস কৰিম আৰু কেনেকৈ A inverse দিয়ে ক্যালকুলেশন মেথডটো আমি ডিটারমিনেন্ট কি একেবাৰে পিছত চেপ্টাৰটো কিন্তু আলোচনা কৰিম ঠিক আছে তেতিয়া দুটা একেবাৰে শিকিবলৈ আমাৰ সুবিধা হ'ব আৰু যিটো মেথড তোমালোকে প্ৰিফাৰ কৰা সেইটো তোমালোকে এপ্লাই কৰিব পাৰিবা এতিয়া আমি আমাৰ এক্সাম্পল লৈছো Suppose I have a matrix A equal to 4 sorry 2 minus 2 4 3 and I have another matrix B to my matrix 1 by 14 into 3 2 minus 4 2 I can write the matrix BS profit A to B matrix to my matrix I can write the matrix B as 3 by 14, 2 by 14 is 1 by 7, minus 4 by 14 means minus 2 by 7, and 2 by 14 minus 1 by 7. I can write a matrix in B stages. B to my n to the particular matrix. Into use for the B to my 1 by 14, 3, 2, minus 4, 2, n to the 16. Here, one A will be 1 by equal to 2 minus 2, 4, 3 in 1 by 14, 3, 2 minus 4, 2. ठीक है? अब इस स्केलर का जो आगे इक्वल टू 1 by 14, 2 minus 2, 4, 3 into 3, 2 minus 4, 2. 1 by 14 to other thing 1 by 14. Start matrix multiplication. First row, first column, 2 into 3, 6. ऐसा बोलना था first column, 2 into 3, 6, minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. First row, second column, 2 into 2, 4, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Then start with second row. Second row, first column, 4 into 3, 12, plus 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Second row, second column, 4 into 2, 8. Plus 3 into 2, 6. So what we get? That is equal to 1 by 14. 14, 0, 0, 14. Matrix for our 1 by 14 है, अर्थात 14, 0, 0, 14 एक प्रत्येक एलिमेंट है 14 है डिवाइड करना. So we get it as 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, which is equal to the unit matrix R. अर्थात अभी बात है AB equal to the unit matrix R. Ever before coming BA is BA equal to B to our 1 by 14, 3, 2, minus 4, 2. Into the second matrix A, 2, minus 2, 4, 3. अभी तक मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन में डॉट कवे है अर्थात A equal to B न हो पर এতে হয় না আমরা কি করিতাম equal to 1 by 14 start matrix multiplication start করা 3 into first row first column 3 into 6 plus 2 into 4 8 first row second column 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 2 into 3 6. First row multiplication over, start with second row now, minus 4 into 2, minus 8, plus 2 into 4, 8. Second row, second column, minus 4 into minus 2 is 8, plus 2 into 3, 6. Here it is equal to 1 by 14 into 14, 0, 0, 14. If about 1 by 14 all the elements of the matrix will be divided by 14. Matrix will protect the elements of 14 divided by 4. Here it is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. That equals to the element matrix R. This is number 2. Now, equation 1 or equation 2 is the equation 1 is AB equal to I. Our equation 2 to BA equal to I. From 1 and 2. X number B number equation from 1 and 2. What we get is that AB equal to BA equal to I. Therefore, A equal to BA first. And B equal to A inverse. Or conversely, A inverse equal to B and B inverse equal to A. What will be equal our দুটা square matrix there be available here. The A equal to B equal to I. Then A inverse equal to B. The inverse of A is B and the inverse of B is A. It is a practical example. That দুটা matrix of A and B is that way AB equal to BA equal to I where. It is a similar example what তোমালোকে এৰি দিছো তোমালোকে চেক কৰি চাবাচোন example for verification A equal to minus 1 5 minus 3 2. A equal to the matrix minus 1 5 minus 3 2 and B equal to the matrix 1 by 13 is 2 minus 5 3 minus 1. Verify that A inverse equal to B, A inverse equal to B and B inverse equal to A. A inverse equal to B or B inverse equal to A হয় না হয় তো আমরা ভেরিফাই করতে হবে চেক করে দেব ইয়ার পরে কি দেখব লাগবো ইয়ার পরে we have to verify that AB equal to BA equal to I. যদি আমি এই প্রপার্টিটি ফলো করব ভেরিফিকেশন আমি করব AB equal to BA equal to A matrix I, that is enough to show that A inverse equal to B and B inverse equal to A. The nature of this solve the A inverse equal to B or B inverse equal to A. The inverse of A is the matrix B and the inverse of B is the matrix A. এতিয়া প্রশ্নটা হচ্ছে দুটো ম্যাট্রিক্স দেয়া আছে A আর B আমি ভেরিফাই করতে whether AB equal to B equal to I. কিন্তু যদি আবার এটা স্কয়ার ম্যাট্রিক্স দেয়া আছে suppose all A স্কয়ার ম্যাট্রিক্স তো আমরা দিই we are given the square matrix say A equal to this 2 minus 2 4 3. Our first question, find A inverse. अब A inverse to लिया हुआ है, find A inverse. Then what will you do? Basically, कैसे वो क्वेश्चन जरा बोलो बात है A inverse तो जोड़ करने दूसरा मेथड है तो आपको मेथड दूसरा क्वेश्चन ऐसा है number 1 is elementary transformation method. One is elementary transformation. And the second one is by using determinant. One is the elementary transformation method and other is by using determinant. Determinant is to matrix inverse chemical reaction of formula है the A inverse equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant A. If you determinant this will be your पढ़ा है adjoint of A की अभी जो सीखा है अभी एजुकेशन ऐसा है आपको कुछ दुईटा मेथडे আমি যেতিয়া ডিটারমিনেন্ট সেটেলমেন্ট ডিসকাস করব ইয়াৰ পিছত আমি ডিটারমিনেন্ট সেটেলমেন্ট আগবাঢ়িম আমি ডিটারমিনেন্টৰ লগত আলোচনা ঠিক আছে বাকো কৈছো ম্যাট্রিক্স ইনভার্স ওর দুটা মেথড আছে এটা এলিমেন্টারি ট্রান্সফরমেশন মেথড যেটো এনসিইআরটি এক্সারসাইজ 3.4 ডিসকাস কৰা হৈছে আৰু এটা হৈছে ইউজিং ডিটারমিনেন্ট the formula A inverse to the exponent of A by determinant A into NCERT exercise 4.5 of discuss কৰা এতিয়া কথা হ'ল যেহেতু second one is much easier than the first one সেইকাৰণে আমি ডিটারমিনেন্ট সেটেলমেন্টৰ লগত দুইটা মেথড ডিসকাস কৰিব তেতিয়া আমি পাম যে সকলো স্কয়াৰ মেট্ৰিক্সৰ কাৰণে কিন্তু A inverse নোলায় পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ কিছুমান স্কয়াৰ মেট্ৰিক্সৰ কাৰণে A inverse এক্সিষ্ট কৰে যিবিলাক নন সিঙ্গুলাৰ স্কয়াৰ মেট্ৰিক্স বুলি কয় সেই পাৰ্টটো আমি পিছলৈ চাইছো এতিয়া আজিৰ ক্লাসটো আমি আৰু কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট পইণ্ট টাচ কৰিম চাবা some important points let us touch today number 1 A into A inverse equal to A matrix I. Zikr the square matrix there to the inverse exists for it as A into A inverse equal to I. Secondly, A inverse into A that is also equal to I. Inverse or opposite introduction to the answer. Number factor. अब यदि x का number तार inverse by x inverse, multiplicative inverse to x inverse. অসমে যদি গুণাত্মক বিপরীত বুলি কয় x inverse মানে হচ্ছে 1 by x. আমি যেতিয়া x into 1 by x বুলি হও x into 1 by x equal to 1 হয় আৰু 1 by x into 1 হলেও 1 is okay অর্থাৎ number factor x into x inverse equal to 1 1 by x into 1 equal to 1 x or inverse to the x inverse by x into 1 by x into x inverse into 1 by matrix or factor I rule to play with number factor 1 is the rule matrix or factor I rule to apply x into x inverse equal to 1 a into a inverse equal to 1 x inverse into x equal to 1 and here A inverse into A equal to 1. Third point is say the third point. Our suppose A inverse post multiplication matrix A square into A inverse. Laws of indices or x square into x to the power minus 1. It is x to the power 2 minus 1 or simply x. Here the A square into A inverse. A square into A inverse is A. Similarly, A cube into A inverse equal to A square. All like this. Any matrix you multiply by I. Zero square matrix of the I multiply by what we get A into I for any square matrix A into unit matrix equal to A itself. Same thing is applicable in case of matrix inverse. Matrix inverse or equal to what I get. Zero I mean matrix A inverse A inverse into I that is equal to A inverse itself. The number of 1 is equal to play for matrix of I equal to play for number of x into 1 equal to x power matrix of A into I equal to A inverse into I equal to A inverse. These are some important points of inverse of a square matrix. Now we have a simple example for it. This one inverse of Aaroham concept of Let us take a simple problem. Again, a simple example is for it. A equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2. So what we have error. So that a squared minus 5a plus 7 equal to 0. Our second part is hence find A inverse. यहाँ पर A inverse उल्लेख first of A square minus 5a plus 7 equal to 0 proof. और third अभी A inverse उल्लेख problem को आपको कोई देखो A equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2. We have to show that A square minus 5a plus 7 equal to 0 and hence we have to find A inverse. You see that. Solution. Part by part you process. First find A square. We got the A square equal to A into A. That is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. Again into 3, 1, minus 1, 2. How to process? Matrix multiplication of mathematics part from first term 3 into 3, 9 plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Part from second term 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 into 2, 2. Repeat our question. You will understand 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1, 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2. First row over, second row first term, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Second row, second term, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, plus 2 into 2 is 4. So here it is equal to 8, 5, minus 5, 3. That is the answer. Now take the left hand side. And the left hand side you know. A squared minus 5a plus 7i. What is the population? A squared equal to 8, 5, minus 5, 3. Minus 5 into A. 5a. A is the matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Plus 7i. Yes, I will use again as we are able to tweak through square brackets. So I will be the second order element matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. So the 3 to 3 square matrix of the deal the third order square matrix of the deal then I would be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Third order square matrix for that. Here it is equal to 8, 5, minus 5, 3. Minus 15, 5, minus 5, 10. Our 5, so all the elements of the matrix will be multiplied by 5 plus the last one. Our 7, so all the elements of the matrix will be multiplied by 7. 7, 0, 0, 7. So what we get is 8 minus 15 plus 7. Then 5 minus 5 plus 0. Corresponding elements are either 8 minus 15 plus 7, 5 minus 5 plus 0. Then it is minus 5 plus 5 plus 6. Minus 5 minus 1 minus plus 5 plus 0. Last element 3 minus 10 plus 3 minus 10 plus 7 equal to 0, 0, 0. And now matrix is 0 के साथ 0 equal to the right hand. So the first part is the equal. I mean first part is equal to a square minus 5a plus 7i. But this part is no connection with a inverse. The inverse is also a connection 9. I mean we have a part होता है 5a inverse. So ATM process को लिया पर now a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to 0, which implies I mean a inverse is just है pre-multiply or post-multiply. A inverse into a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to a inverse is an matrix. A inverse is multiplication below. It is like the law of the basics. First, a inverse is a square. A to the power minus 1 plus 2 is simply minus a inverse into 5i plus last one a inverse into 7i. 7 to our like scalar quantity and then multiplication of I with any matrix. The matrix is a inverse into I. A inverse into I is the norm. We will get a inverse itself equal to right hand side. Multiplication of null matrix with any matrix is a null matrix. So from that we are getting 7a inverse equal to it is 5i minus 3. 5 transfer to minus 5i becomes 5i plus 3 becomes minus 6 equal to 5 1 time I is the square matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 minus A is the given matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Here it is equal to 5, 0, 0, 5 minus 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Corresponding elements are subtracted 5 minus 3. Therefore, 7a inverse equal to, after subtracting the corresponding matrices, what we get is just 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Then 0 minus 1 plus 1. And 5 minus 2 is again 3. Therefore, A inverse equal to, अब 1 by 7 को आप रखें 1 by 7 into 2 minus 1, 1, 3. Okay. A inverse equal to 1 by 7 into 2 minus 1, 1, 3. You can write it 2 by 7, minus 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 3 by 7. And the check point of the power is there. A inverse is A inverse of multiply this one. A into A inverse. You will get it as I. But A inverse of A multiply this one. A inverse into A. Again you will get I in this matrix I. Now we call A into A inverse to get it. The A into A inverse 3 1 minus 1 2, and A inverse is the matrix 1 by 7 2 minus 1 1 3 equal to 1 by 7 आता है matrix multiplication 3 into 6 plus 1 into 1 1 first row second row 3 into minus 3 plus 1 into 3 3 first row multiplication over start with second row now minus 1 into 3 minus 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2 second row minus 1 into 1 is plus 1 and 2 into 3 is plus 6. So here it is equal to 1 by 7 7 0 0 7 divide each element of the matrix 7 0 0 7 by 7 you will get the unit matrix 1 0 0 1 equals to I. Jorhat matrix inverse is the basic property A into A inverse equal Y. It is being satisfied by A inverse. Jorhat our A inverse calculation to hoise is the expression A square minus 5A plus 7 I equal 0 তারপর আমি এই বলে A inverse to calculate করব মই এটা অঙ্ক তোমালোকলে দিছো এই প্রবলেমটো সহায়ক তলতে A inverse উলিয়াবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিবা এটা লগ বা দীঘলীয়া অঙ্ক the homework for you. Take the example. A equal to 2 3 1 2. So that A square minus 4A plus I equals the null matrix. Hence, find A equals. Answer will be answer. A inverse equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. A equal to the matrix 2 3 1 2. So that A square minus 4A plus I equal to 0 and hence find A inverse. Outside the inverse is 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. গতিকে আজি ডিসকাস কৰা ইমানে মই briefly topic point to highlight কৰিছো main point এটা first যদি A এটা square matrix mind A must be a square matrix আৰু another square matrix B to আমি এনে ধৰণে পাওঁ যাতে AB equal to BA equal to I হয় তেতিয়া হয় B is said to be the inverse of A and we write it A inverse equal to C. Suppose when B is the inverse of A, conversely A is the inverse of B. B equal to A inverse of A equal to B inverse of A. Zero of square matrix A term A into A inverse to I and A inverse into A below that is also equal to I. For any square matrix A to A inverse to I and A inverse to A equal to I and multiplication of A inverse with I. This is matrix of that I will multiply করলে আমি সেই মেট্ৰিক্সটোৱে কওঁ A inverse into I that is also equal to A inverse and I into A inverse is again equal to A inverse. These are some basic properties of inverse of a square matrix. खाली आपको कुछ अब एक पार्ट इसे कुछ how to determine A inverse सब अगर मैट्रिक्स दिया है ये A मैट्रिक्स को क्या है A equal to 3 1 2 A एक्सप्रेशन तो दिया है A square minus 4A equal to 4A plus I equal to 0 दिया है डायरेक्ट वहाँ कोई से calculate A inverse. There are two methods of calculating A inverse. One is elementary transformation and the other is matrix inverse method by using determinant A inverse equal to adjoint A divided by determinant A. Adjoint A divided by determinant A. अब ये जब adjoint A जब हम सीखा ना, हमें जब determinant सीखा ना, जैसे आप तीसरा चैप्टर में अभी determinant पढ़ी, और after one class the chapter matrix will be finished. गति के अभी मात्र inverse square matrix में एक concept के लिए दिलू, मैं यार notes के लिए WhatsApp group पर तो अलग से सेट करी, अगले वाले धन्यवाद.